Guys, we're going to get started with phonics for today. I'm going to pull it up on the screen. All right, so let's get started with phonics. Before we get started, let's review all the different sounds that the vowels make. A says A or A says A. E says E or E says E. I says I or I says I. O says O or O says A. And U says U or U says A. Those are our 5 vowels. It's going to be really important to stretch those vowels carefully so that we can spell words correctly. Last class, we talked about the bossy R. Bossy R is a little bit tricky because when the R is next to a vowel, it makes the vowel say a completely different sound. Let's review the sounds that we learned in our last class. Short U says like duck. UR says like turtle. URE says like shore. Short A says like cat. AR says R like car. Short O says off like dog. Listen carefully for these sounds as we practice. Oh, sorry, and OR says or like corn. We're going to listen carefully for those sounds as we stretch out each word. We're going to take a mini quiz. So follow along as I read the question for each bubble, and then at the end we'll go over the answers. Number 1, fill in the bubble under the word curb. Number 1, fill in the bubble under the word curb. Number 2, fill in the bubble under the word shore. Number 2, fill in the bubble under the word shore. Number 3, fill in the bubble under the word fork. Number 3, fill in the bubble under the word fork. Number 4, fill in the bubble under the word card. Number 4, fill in the bubble under the word card. Number 5, fill in the bubble under the nonsense word zir. Number 5, fill in the bubble under the nonsense word zir. Number 6, fill in the bubble under the nonsense word farb. Number 6, fill in the bubble under the nonsense word farb. For number 7, you're going to have to stretch carefully because we're writing words. For number 7, write the word earth. Number 7, write the word earth. Number 8, write the word cure. For number 8, write the word cure. Number 9, write the word hurl. Number 9, write the word hurl. For number 10, you're going to circle the picture that has the same vowel sound as the word heard. Remember to invest just like we do in class. You should be writing the vowel sound of each picture underneath and circling the picture with the same vowel sound as heard. Number 11, circle the picture that has the same vowel sound as born. Number 11, circle the picture that has the same vowel sound as born. Remember to write the vowel sounds of each picture. Number 12, circle the picture with the same vowel sound as jar. Number 12, circle the picture with the same vowel sound as jar. Great. Now we're going to go over the answers to each one. Number 1 was the word curb. That's bubble 1. It has the sound, UR. Number 2 was the word shore. That's bubble 2. If you got it right, you can give yourself a check. Number 3 was the word fork. That's bubble 3. If you got it right, you can give yourself a check. Number 4 was the word card. That was bubble 2. Number 5 was the nonsense word zir. That was bubble 1. Number 6 was the nonsense word farb, bubble 2. Number 7 was the word earth. Earth is spelled E-A-R-T-H. E-A-R-T-H. Number 8 was the word cure. Cure is spelled C-U-R-E. C-U-R-E. Number 9 was the word hurl. Hurl is spelled H-U-R-L. H-U-R-L. Number 10 was the circle the picture that has the same vowel sound as heard. Heard and earth both have the sound, so you should have circled the picture of the earth. Number 11 was the same vowel sound as born. Born and corn both have the sound, so you should have circled corn. And number 12 is the picture that has the same vowel sound as jar. Jar and star both have the R sound. All right, so before we go, let's just one more time review the different sounds. Short U says like duck. UR says like turtle. URE says or like shore. Short A says like cat. AR says R like car. Short O says like dog. And OR says or like corn. So these are new vowels, or these are new sounds, and we'll continue working on these again tomorrow. Thanks, guys.